Well, we came to you for the roof and the siding, and you made the project so easy that we basically redid the whole house.
We had the roof was torn off and replaced. The gutters torn off and replaced. Siding was replaced. The windows were all ripped out and replaced. The driveway was ripped out and replaced. The door was ripped out, replaced. Now I'm looking at the before photos and the after photos. Man, it looks so much better.
Oh, I love my door.
I know we changed our mind several times on different things, but I definitely like the fact that we went with the shutters on the upper and that we went with bigger windows too.
That was, I think, one of our best decisions with the project.
The windows are great. The insulation on the windows is great. Already with the weather getting a little colder now, we could feel a difference.
We seam taped all the edges, so this way we got an airtight seal.
Joe's favorite is the driveway. He's wanted that for a
driveway?
long time.
I need to do that in the longest time.
He wanted
yeah.
the cobblestones for a long time.
A lot of people focus on the driveway, they'll focus on the thickness of the driveway. I'm like, all that doesn't mean anything if you don't have the proper grade. You know, so we
Right.
spend a little more time on the base, which is an item 4 gravel concrete base, and then making sure we got the pitch, because we want the water to come away from the house, we want it to come away from the walkway, we want it to come away from the street, we want everything to come. If you don't get that right, nothing else matters.
Right, yeah. And I've noticed a difference already because this is where I park. This is my car here. And I've noticed that, you know, we've had a couple of big rainstorms and I don't have to go swimming to get to my door anymore.
When you're dealing with a job that size and that complexity, things always go wrong. But your experience with dealing with us and how we handle them as they came
You
up.
were honest. You kind of treated us like we were your own house, I felt.
Yeah,
you
when
know?
if an issue came up, no one tried to sidestep it and say, oh no, that's
Right.
how it's supposed to be. You're like, you're right. This is wrong. We need to correct this.
We tried to stay on top of it, stay in front of it, and then keep you guys informed as we would with anybody that we work with, because we try to treat every customer the way we want to be treated, and we never leave a job until you're 100% satisfied, because if it's something you're not happy with, then we're not happy. We had foremans on site, we had a project manager checking up. What was your experience like on that level, like the guys being on time, cleaning up? What was that like?
They were absolutely amazing. Everybody was on time, they cleaned up. There was never any issues at all. You have the most polite crew. Everybody said hello, everybody talked to you, and they worked non-stop all day long. The work ethic of your team is absolutely amazing. It really is a testament to your company.
Things went really, really quick to the driveway. 2 days, we had a day for the Belgian, a day for the laying down. It was just, you know, it's quick in and out, just get it done right. But the roof, there was no complications. Everything that went like no problems.
Yep.
And it looks good.
It does, yeah.
It looks great.
Everything we did was lifetime. Like the gutters are lifetime, the roof is lifetime, the covers are lifetime, the siding is lifetime, the windows are lifetime. If anything ever goes wrong with any of that, you call us, there's no charge, we come back, we fix. Parts and labor, you're covered for life.
That's a big incentive for picking them too, picking this company.
Even though there are people working for you, you took the job on as your own also.
Yes.
I try to do that for all my customers.
Yeah, it's appreciated. I think that personal touch makes a big difference.
Sometimes you don't need a roof man,
A siding man,
a driveway man.
a window man,
All you need is
a honeydew man.